How does Walter White's chemistry compare to real-world chemists? Have you ever wondered how the chemistry portrayed in crime films stacks up against real-life chemists? Let's take a closer look at Walter White's illicit chemistry and see how it compares to the work of real-world chemists. Walter White is depicted as a highly skilled chemist who uses his knowledge to produce high-purity methamphetamine. The show Breaking Bad takes great care to portray chemistry concepts that are grounded in real science. The producers consulted with professional chemists to ensure accuracy in the chemical reactions and laboratory setups shown. For instance, Walter's initial method of synthesizing meth using pseudoephedrine is based on actual techniques used by illicit drug manufacturers. This method is well known and monitored by law enforcement due to the precursor chemicals involved. Later in the series, Walter employs a more advanced synthesis method known as the phenyl-to-propanone pathway. This approach is chemically plausible and reflects real organic chemistry principles. However, achieving the extreme purity that Walter claims, such as 99.1%, is a significant challenge in reality. The show addresses this complexity through discussions about stereochemistry and enantiomeric purity. Walter questions how someone without a chemistry background could produce a product that is enantiomerically pure, which is a sophisticated concept in chemistry. While the chemistry in the show is mostly accurate, some aspects are exaggerated for dramatic effect. The speed at which Walter produces meth and the flawless execution of complex syntheses are not reflective of real-world operations. In reality, chemists face numerous challenges, including sourcing chemicals, controlling reaction conditions, and ensuring safety, which are often overlooked in the series. The portrayal of chemistry in Breaking Bad also reflects a respect for the skill and knowledge required to produce a potent product. This mirrors the respect that real forensic scientists and chemists have for the technical expertise involved in drug synthesis, even when it is illegal. In summary, Walter White's chemistry aligns closely with real-world chemistry principles and methods. The series effectively depicts chemical reactions and lab work with scientific accuracy, while amplifying certain elements for storytelling. Walter represents an idealized version of a chemist whose expertise places him in a feared and respected position within the criminal underworld, showcasing the intersection of science and crime.